Hey guys, so a lot of you guys have been requesting these types of videos where we show a tutorial on how to dance. It took me a long time, but I'm here, we're here.
What's up, guys?
Mind you, we're doing this video at 5:29 in the
Oh my
morning.
gosh, we were contemplating whether to do it right now, but I was like, dude, let's just do it right now.
We're gonna be teaching you guys huapangos. So I'm gonna be doing a video of huapangos, and he's gonna be doing a video of.
So if you guys wanna do, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do either norteñas or huapangos sueltos. So if you guys wanna learn how to do that, then come to my page. You being the leader, you need to think of what you're gonna do next. So forget about the moves, forget about all the muy confusing type of moves. Today we're just gonna be learning the basics, right?
Yeah.
So ahorita, whenever you first grab your partner, you're gonna make sure that
she feels safe.
So as you guys can see, your feet, whenever you're dancing, make sure they're not too far apart from each other, but the girl has enough space whenever she's moving. So for the foot placements, whenever you grab your partner, you see like my leg is in here. Hold on. Okay, you see my leg is in the middle.
Don't corn dog.
Okay, so you see my leg is right in the middle, and she has enough like room between.
Another tip, ladies. Okay, I feel like a lot of people always question me. Like, I know I'm short. Don't tell me. But I feel like what helps a lot is if you're on your tippy toes. Like anything that you're dancing, norteñas, like cumbias, like no matter if it's sueltos, I feel like tippy toeing is the most best thing you can always do. Another tip, the hips. I feel like the hips is always the biggest struggle everybody has. Like when dancing, always move your hips. If you move your hips right, you move right.
So make sure the girl has enough space in the middle, and you want to keep your leg between her legs, right? So hand placement in the middle. So left, and then right, and then left, and then right. And then to stop the
I think give me left.
Oh.
You're gonna move your hips the direction that your partner's moving his feet.
Yeah.
So if he's going left, move your hips going down left. If he's moving his hips right, move your hips going right.
Don't look like a worm. Alright guys, so as the guy, you always want to make sure you always have balance. So keep your back straight. Don't lean forward unless they are short, like Abigail. But anyways, make sure, in my preference, I always, how do I say it? Okay, in my preference, I always want to make sure I'm spinning on my heel instead of my, how to say it, like on your toes basically. So make sure you have your heel on the ground, and then with this one, you're gonna give yourself oomph, like spin, like speed basically. So hold on, let me start over here. So heel and then spin, and then this one you're gonna turn it the way you want to go. So heel and then spin, and then point the direction you want to go, and then heel and then spin. For huapangos, I wouldn't say it really matters if you spin on your heel, on your toes. It's just a matter of the balance that you have and the momentum you have when you spin.
For the girl, again, I like being on my tippy toes, so I'm gonna spin on my tippy toes. So let's say I'm on my tippy toes right now, and the guy's doing his footwork or whatever. All I'm gonna be doing is just go like this, like that, the whole time. Whether it's backward spins or forward spins, it's just gonna be the same thing. So that's literally all you do. No, don't get nervous. Don't care what others say or the way you dance, because again, we all have our own ways. Do it however you want to do it, but it's just like the basics, you know. These are the tips we could give you guys, and if we missed anything, you guys are free to comment down, and we can help you guys and answer those questions for you guys.
As you guys know, her name is Abigail, my name is Zeus. If you guys ever need anything, just comment down below on any chips.
Are you hungry?
No! I'm about to throw that. No,
and that's basically it. So